Question is, several electric bulbs designed to be used. So our supply, we have 220 volt electric supply line are rated. So power that we have 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires of a 220 volt line if the maximum allowed current? So current that we have, which is 5 ampere, right? So several electric bulb is designed to be used on a 220 volt, are rated 10 watt. So current, maximum current will be allowed, which is 5 ampere. Okay. So how many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires? So here 220 volt and 10 watt are rated. So first we need to find that resistance, and that formula is V square upon R. R is equal to V square upon P. So 220 into 220 upon P is 10. So 10, 0, 0 cancel out. So 22 into 220, right? Now we are applying 220 volt and current is 5 ampere. So according to that formula, V is equal to IR. So R is equal to V upon I. So this is bulb resistance, and here we will get V upon I. V is 220 upon I is 5, right? So 5 fours are and 4s are. So R is equal to 44 ohm, right? And here R is equal to 22 into 220 upon 1. That is more. So we need to connect like this. This is RP. That value we need, and we should connect this like that. We will get 44, right? So 22 into 220. So here we got 4840, right? That is our ohm. RP that we have. Now we just we can put that formula. RP is equal to R upon N, right? So RP, here see, N that we need to find, right? So N subject, N is equal to R upon RP. Now what is R? R is 4840, RP is 44. So here R is 4840 upon 44. So answer will be N is equal to 110. So we need to connect 110 resistance in parallel, then we will get 44 ohm of resistance.